This is Carl. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Here's another buck knife. This is the 736 Trekker XLT. Here we go. Has a green finish on the scales right here. Black up here, green down here. There we go. I'm hoping this comes in pretty good. www.pocketknife.com, and here's the phone number. And this is made in Idaho. Well, the company's in Idaho. This is made in China. And someone said, I'm not sure if this is true or not, but I'm just going to pass along this information. If you look at this number right here, the WM stands for a Walmart exclusive. Okay, this is the select level right here. They have 3 different levels. You can pause the video and check this out or look it up on their website. Select level, and here it says select level also. Really nice looking knife. Serrated edge right here. The rest of the edge is straight. Comes with this little plastic safety tip on here. Just slice this thing open. I'm going to slice it open with the little buck peanut knife. I did a review on this one. You might want to check that out. Pretty cool little knife, really. This knife goes right through this blister pack, no issues at all. There we go. I'm not planning on returning this knife, so I'm just going to rip this thing open and get it out of here. Let's see, is there any more information on here that we might need? Might want to. Oh yeah, let's go here. We have 3-inch blade, 4-inch when it's closed. Weight is 2.77 ounces. Anodized aluminum. There you go. Let's toss this out of the way. Let's take off this. Now, this is a nice knife, but my own personal self, I prefer to have a straight edge all the way down. I very seldom have a need for serrated edge like this, but it is what it is, right? Here's the back of it. It's got a hollow design right here. There you go. Here's the. I always call them grippers. I know that's not the right word. There you go. This right here goes on both sides, so it can be left hand or right hand. Now, looking at the blade, the handle, here's the clip, pocket clip, and I did notice that it cannot be put on this side. There's no holes drilled for that. Whoop, here we go. Let's take it this way. Really strong tension on there. Really comfortable knife. To be small, it's really comfortable. I like it a lot. That's going to feel good in the pocket. There we go. Liner lock. Get this thing broken in a little bit here. Let's see how good, if I can flip this open. I'm not as good as some of you folks out there. Takes me a little bit of more effort, but it's all good. Let me close this and see where the snapback starts. I did notice here this protrudes a little bit. Shouldn't be an issue though. Right there. Open this thing up again if I can. I believe I'm getting arthritis, so this is a little bit more difficult for me. Close it up. Blade is perfectly centered. Can't tell what kind of, it looks like bushing, nylon bushings in there. Yeah, nylon bushings. Really nice knife. I like this a lot. This is going to be a pleasure to carry in my pocket. I'm going to have to play with that a little bit, get a little bit better with opening it up. But I can do that while I'm watching YouTube videos. Love the colors on there. I really love those colors. Really, really nice looking. Let me get this paper right here. Let's give this thing a paper test. There you go. Look at that. Yep, there we go. It is what it is, right? It is what it is. Next time you head down to your Walmart, go to the sporting goods section, check these out. I believe they're around $20 or so, somewhere in that range of $20. Good price for a good quality knife. I'm going to use this for 5 or 6 months in my pocket carry, then we'll do another review on this. In the meantime, my name is Carl, and I do appreciate you watching our video here today.